Hello friend, in this video you will learn that how to make a screwdriver using Blender. First you need reference, so link is in description. Now click on this add. Under this image, click on reference. Now select reference, click on this load reference images. First flip this reference, so press S, then X, then -1. Now press N for this panel and lock everything like location, rotation and scale, and just we have to hide for few minutes. We need three shapes. First is circle, second is two star. So press shift A, under mesh select circle, click on this add circle, and we have to keep this value in mind because we need same amount of vertex everywhere. So right now vertex value is 32 and also rotate on y axis. So change rotation value, that is 90 degree. Now press G, then X, and move on X axis little bit like this. Now we need a star. So press Shift A, under mesh select circle. Change vertex value, that is 16. Now switch to edit mode. Select vertex alternatively like this. Now press S to scale. Now press Ctrl Shift B for vertex bevel. Now select this vertex and press Ctrl Shift B again. Press A to select all the vertex. Now press R, then Y, then 90 degree. Press Tab to return into object mode. Now press G, then X to move on X axis. Now we need also a star. So press Shift A, under mesh select circle. Now change vertex value, that is 8. Switch to edit mode. Select this vertex like this. Now press S to scale. And we need 32 vertex. So first we have to check its vertex value. So press A to select all the vertex. Now click on this arrow and enable this statics. You can see here vertex value is 8. We need 32 vertex. So right click and subdivide. Increase number of cuts, and now when you increase number of cuts 3, then you get 32 vertex value. Now press R, then Z, then rotate 45 degree. Now press R, then Y, then 90 degree. Okay. Now press tab to get back into object mode. Now press S to scale. Unhide this reference and select this circle. Now press S to scale. Select this star. Now press G, then X to move on X axis. Now press S to scale. Press Shift D, then X to duplicate on X axis. Select this circle. Now press Shift D, then press X to duplicate on X axis and just scale like this. Now press Shift D, then X to duplicate on X axis. Now select this star and press Shift D, then press X to duplicate on X axis. Press Shift D, then X to duplicate on X axis. Okay. Now select this circle. Now press 1 for front view. Now press Shift D, then X to duplicate on X axis. Now press S to scale like this. Press Shift D, then X to duplicate on X axis and keep it here. Select this star. Now press G, then X to move on X axis. Now press S to scale like this. Hide this reference and press 3 for this view, and we have to fix this star size because this is bigger than circle. So select all the star and press 3 for this right view. Now click on this arrow and select here individual origin. Now press S to scale like this. Now also rotate this, so press R, then rotate 22.5 degrees. You can check this value here. Now select all the shape, then right click, join this. Click on this object, under this apply, select rotation and scale. Now switch to edit mode. Now click on this edge and select here bridge edge loops. Now switch to edge selection mode. Double click on this edge. Now press E, then X to extrude on X axis. Now press S to scale and F to fill. Double click on this shape. Now press G, then X to move on X axis, and also press F to fill this. Apply subdivision surface modifier. So click on this modify properties, click on this add modifier and apply subdivision surface modifier. Increase viewport value, that is 3, and also increase render value, that is 3. Now press tab for edit mode. Now press Ctrl R, then give a loop cuts and fix this like this. Also we have to give here loop cuts, so press Ctrl R, just give a loop cuts. Enable this face selection mode and select this face, then press I to insert. Press tab to enter into edit mode, then press Ctrl R and give a loop cut here. Now select this face. Now press I to insert and just insert this. Switch to object mode, right click and apply shaded smooth. Click on this object data properties, under this normal, check this auto smooth. Now this is very simple method to how to create this screwdriver. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave your comments and share this video with your friend. Thank you for watching this video again.